I'm going to do a part one of the Victoria's Secret haul, and then there's going to be like another part, because I have other stuff that I have to put that I don't have right now. So let's just go ahead on and start it out. First of all, let's start out in prayer, because I always pray, and I've been doing it the last couple of videos, so I'm going to do it first. Dear God, thank you for this day. I praise you and I thank you for allowing me to see this day, and for allowing me to create content for my channel. Lord God, I ask you to protect my content, protect it from any evil eyes, any word curses, bring abundance and blessings as you see fit. In Jesus' name I pray. Alright, so this is just very simple for this part of it. I have the Victoria's Secret Heavenly fragrance. As you guys know, I rave about this. I love this in the perfume. They have the smaller size of it, and they just started doing the 8.4 fluid ounce size. So I had to get this. I freaking love this. It smells, it's kind of like a unisex smell. It's very fresh and like herbal spa kind of like smell. It's really unisex. I really love it a lot. The next thing that I'm going to pull out is this wallet. I needed another wallet because I have my signature wallet. I'm actually looking at it over there, so I'm looking that way. But I've had that for like 3 or 4 years, and it's time for me to get another one. And I was going to throw it away, but I don't think I'm going to throw it away because it's hard to find those. But anyway, I still got this one. It's white. It's perfect for the spring. It's got the card holdings, and it has like the zip thing for the change. And it does have a peak line on the inside of it. If it was a little bit bigger, I would really love this. Don't get me wrong, I like it, but if it was just a little bit bigger, I would really love it. But I'm still gonna get great use out of it. And then the last thing for this part of it is this. Excuse that dog that's barking in the background. That's the next door neighbor's dog. This is the part of their shapewear. This is the, what do they call these things? Not onesies, but bodysuits, yeah. And this is in the extra small. This is just like the cognac color. And they have a lot of these, but they only have a couple colors of these that they had in that particular location. So, yeah. So I'm just going to see if I can find some when I go back the next time. I'll probably order online or something like that. But that's it for this part of the haul. So you guys stay tuned for the next part. Okay, beauty queens, this is the second part of the BS haul. You guys saw me in a whole nother different place and area because that's how crazy I'm moving around these days, as far as not buying stuff at the same place at the same time when I'm doing the same thing. Like, it's not, clearly I didn't get everything in one day, as you guys can see. So these are gonna be just like underwear, and I'm not really like embarrassed about showing my underwear or anything like that because I haven't worn these. And we're all adults here, even if it's guys watching. So yeah. So the first thing that I'm going to start out with is going to be this set. This is the, I forgot what they call this set. I forgot, but it's just like this blush pink. It's a boy short or just cute shorts, not even boy shorts. These are so cute. I don't know if you guys can see the detail, but they're laced. They have hearts all over them. They have some detailing on the sides with the lace as well. So that's the bottom, and then this is the top. The top is just like your simple basic top. Obviously, this is a sleeping set, so it's really dainty and girly. I love this so much. And then the rest are gonna be undie dundies. So the first one that I'm picking up is just this. Is this a thong? Yes. It's just this gorgeous like plum purple thong, and I wear a medium, but I got a couple of these in smalls, and this one is in a small. then the next one is just the bikini cut, because I typically wear a bikini cut, and I don't know what's going on with Victoria's Secret, but they used to always do cotton. They used to have cotton as an option. Now everything is like mixed materials. I don't know, I feel like they don't have 100% cotton anymore, because this is not 100% cotton. Like, it's cotton mixed with something else. But anyway, this is the bikini cut. This is what I typically wear like every day. And then this is another thong one, and it's in this pretty sage green, or yeah, it's like a sage green. It's coming off more mint on the camera, but it's a sage green. And then we have a high cut, I believe, or is this bikini? This might be bikini. Yep, this is bikini. That's just like this blush pink. And then last but not least, just a regular basic bikini black signature, with the signature stamped at the top. Nothing too crazy. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure you like. I've already prayed and blessed the video. Thank you guys for watching and supporting. All my links, social links, codes, anything else is below. Check out my shorts. I have uploaded shorts. Thank you guys so much. See you in my next video.